In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Systeme.io step by step. Tags are simple labels you add to contacts so you can organize, segment, and target your audience more effectively. Think of them as folders you can attach to people based on actions they take or interests they show, like registering for a webinar, downloading a guide, or becoming a customer. First, open your browser and head to Systeme.io. Sign in so you land on your main dashboard. This is your control center, and it's where you'll find all the tools you need. If your dashboard layout looks a little different, don't worry, Systeme.io updates the interface from time to time, but the navigation we're about to use stays in roughly the same place. From the dashboard, look for the CRM section. This is where your contacts and related tools live. Click CRM, and you'll see options that help you manage and organize your audience. Within CRM, select tags. This opens the page that lists all the tags you've already created. If you're just getting started, this list might be empty, which is perfectly fine. On the tags page, move your eyes to the top right-hand side. You'll see a button labeled Create. That's the one we need. Go ahead and click Create. To start adding a new tag, a small window or panel will appear prompting you to define your tag. In the name field, type the tag you want to use. Keep it short, specific, and easy to understand, so you'll recognize it at a glance later. Good tag names describe the action or attribute clearly. For example, webinar registered customer or lead magnet download. Consistency is key. Decide on a naming style now, like all lowercase with hyphens, and stick to it so your list stays tidy as it grows. Avoid vague names like new or test unless they serve a very specific purpose you'll remember. Once your tag name looks right, click Save. You'll be taken back to the tags list and your new tag should appear immediately. That's your confirmation it's ready to use. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page or check for any filters you might have applied. From here, you can reuse this process to create as many tags as you need. You can edit or remove tags later if your strategy evolves. Keeping your tags clear and consistent now will save you time when you segment campaigns or build automations. And that's it. You've successfully created a tag in Systeme.io.